Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make somen. Somen is very thin wheat noodles, so it's like Japanese version of Capellini. We normally eat it chilled, so naturally it's our summertime favorite. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need: some dried somen noodles, Mentsuyu dipping sauce. For the condiments, today I have some green onion, myoga, Japanese ginger, and ginger. But condiments can be anything you like, so prepare whatever you like. Let's prepare the condiments. I'm going to grate this ginger. And when you're grating ginger, it's better to grate it with the skin on. So wash it really well, dry, and then grate. Just like this, and let's put it in the small bowl. And myoga, Japanese ginger or ginger butt. This is not the butt of the ginger I grated. It's same family but different plant. It has very unique flavor. It's not too gingery, it's more like shallot. This bottom end is dried out, so I'm going to cut it off. Cut this in half. Put them face down and then slice thinly. Let's put it in a small bowl. Like this. I love the color, it's so pretty. And then green onion. Let's cut the bottom off as usual. Cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Put it in a small bowl. Condiments are all ready, so let's cook the somen noodles. Somen noodles usually comes like this. It's bundled like this. Usually 2 bundles for 1 person, but today I am very hungry, so I am doing 5 bundles for 2 people. Prepare plenty of boiling water, strainer in the sink, and some ice water. Let's remove the bund and put the noodle into the boiling water. Mix it immediately, otherwise it will stick together. Let's cook it for about 2 minutes. Now it's cooked for a little over 2 minutes, so let's drain. And rinse the noodle under running water really well. It's very hot at the beginning, so be careful not to burn yourself. Rub it under running water really well to remove all the stickiness on the surface of the noodles. Then release it in ice water. To chill the noodles completely. Okay, let's serve. Put some Mentsuyu dipping sauce. Into the bowls. Dilute the sauce with some cold water to your favorite taste. And somen is ready to go. When you eat, put your favorite condiments into the dipping sauce. Take some noodles, dip it into the sauce, and then you eat it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!